Today we will be doing the Thar Desert. The vast sand-laying plain with sandy ridges and shifting sand dunes lies mainly between the Aravalli in the east and the Sindh Desert of Pakistan in the west. See, here is the Aravalli Mountains and here this is the Indian desert. Here it is Pakistan, the Sindh is being told in the west. The desert lies primarily in the northwestern Rajasthan. Here very little rainfall is happening, that is not less than 25 centimeter, that is also annually. The high temperature experienced in the region evaporates. As the temperature is very high, the moisture evaporates very easily in the air. The region therefore lacks water resources and river. The only river that is found here is the Luni River, but that also doesn't have much water. It carries very little water. As there is no water, moisture, so agriculture was not possible in Rajasthan. So the government have taken up a project of Indira Gandhi Canal was built up from the Satluj River to give some extent of relief in the Rajasthan and make the desert fertile. So after the Indira Gandhi Canal, which draw waters from the Suez and Satluj, the situation has changed and some parts of the desert have turned into fertile lands where crops like wheat, barley, grapes, melons are now grown. But for the last 3 years, it has been seen that due to the changes in the atmosphere, there is a good amount of rainfall, and as there is a good amount of rainfall, so in Rajasthan last year there was a good production of wheat, as the areas were able to have water. Not only this, to make the area fertile and to keep this water supply, even the people of Rajasthan has taken up steps like cleaning up their wells. There are big ponds that was made thousands of years ago by the kings to provide water. Those ancient parts of the wells and big ponds are cleared up, and water stagnation is being done by the villagers in some places, by governments also, which is helping to change the situation in Rajasthan today. Next comes, we're ending because we have talked about everything, the coastal, the plateau, the northern plains, the desert. Now the left out thing is the islands. So the island groups of India, there are 2 island groups of India. One is here Lakshadweep Islands, and other one is here beneath, you cannot see it here, that is Andaman Nicobar Island. Not here, sorry, here. This is Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. So these 2 groups of islands make the island groups of India. The Andaman Nicobar group of islands consists of 50 small islands which have originated from the volcanic eruptions, or rather we can say they are volcanic origins. You have heard about the name Barren Island. Is the only island which is volcanically active nowadays. The Andaman Nicobar Island are separated by a channel called the 10-degree channel. Now here, this is Andaman and this is Nicobar. So it is mean here, 10-degree channel. Next is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is not formed by any volcanic eruption or others. It is formed by the deposition of the corals. Now you know corals are small insects in water. Their skeletons have been stored in places and this island have been created. And the fewer in number. There are not as much as 550 islands. There are 22 or something types of islands are there. And the most important thing, in both the places, all the islands are not suitable for people to live. They are mostly uninhabited. These islands form the smallest union territory of India. Last will be the drainage that I will do in the next class. Okay. Thank you.